If you have seen the Netflix special, Street Food Asia, I believe it's called, did a special on the lady right behind me. She makes hand-cut noodles and it is really, really good.
Her name is Cho Yonsoon and hers was the main story in the Netflix episode for her incredible knife-cut, hand-cut noodles. She's had this stall for nearly 30 years and she learnt her cooking from her mother, who would make these knife-cut noodles with their war rations, and she says in the episode how they remind her of her childhood. She's absolutely loved by hungry locals and tourists alike, and that is why
I'm gonna hopefully try some of her food today. So we are at the Gwangjangmarket. This market is really, really amazing. There is so much here. I found Korean food really interesting. It's so different to what we have at home. The fact that every meal is served with kimchi is very different to the UK. It's super busy here, and that is for a reason. The food is absolutely amazing. Everything's cooked fresh, everything's cooked in front of you, and you know it's good because all the locals come here. So excited to see what we're going to try, so let's have a look. Oh yeah. So there is a ton of food places along here, and this one has a sign of Gordon Ramsay. And it's a picture of him eating the gimbap, I think. And I haven't actually tried any gimbap in Korea, which is awful, so I want to try it. And why not try it where good old Gordon Ramsay tried it? One? Takeaway? I think she just put sauces on it. I'm not sure what the sauces were, but it looks really good. I'm excited to try it. I can't believe I haven't had any gimbap the whole time we're here. Okay, so here is our gimbap rolls. She gave us a little sauce as well, but I'm going to give it a try just as it is. There's like a ton of little ones all stuck together. Oh, I unravelled it a little bit. Maybe they're all big ones. Oh no, there we go. So it looks like all that's inside is just some yellow peppers, carrots, and some sticky rice. But let's give it a try. Actually, really good. I thought it might not be too good because it just is very simple, but that's really tasty. The carrot has a really good flavour. The veg is just really nice. Wow, that's really good. Honestly thought that was going to be really basic, but it's good, it's sweet. I think the seaweed that it's wrapped in is really tasty. So good. So we are at the really famous stall right behind me, and that is a lady from Netflix. Now, her show went absolutely viral, and that is why there is so many people here, because you can watch her cooking her knife-cut noodles right in front of you, and it's really, really cool. And the food is actually supposed to be amazing, so I'm really excited to try it. I can already see she's got these huge tables of kimchi and meat dumplings. It's just really cool to watch her cook right in front of everyone.
Some seats in the house are better than others.
There's this seat in the house. Yeah, you want to be right in front of her. Actually watch her cooking right in front of us. Right there. Thank you.
We get two of them.
Two?
Meat and kimchi one.
One kimchi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Kimchi. So this is the kimchi. That's really good. It's like a bit spicy, but it's like a perfect amount. And it's crunchy, it tastes really fresh. It's really good. And this comes with every meal, by the way. The craziest thing is watching her cut the noodles, the hand-cut noodles, and she doesn't even watch. She's looking around as she's cutting. I think that's really impressive. I would be too scared. She she's got like a big pot of boiling water behind her, so she's not just doing the hand cut noodles, she's also serving everyone else. And there's a team of about 3 cooks in the kitchen, 2 other women, and then there's a guy taking the orders and taking the money. But it's a very efficient system, really cool.
Thank you.
So this is the kimchi dumplings. This is the meat dumplings here. Hand cut noodles are the most famous by her. Thank you. Tell me that. Those noodles just in front of us, and then the kimchi dumplings she also makes by hand, and they are also the most popular of the menus. I'm really excited to try.
It's so slippery.
It's good.
Really tasty though.
Yeah, really good.
Probably shouldn't put the whole thing in my mouth.
Try the kimchi dumplings. If they're in the sauce. Oh, the kimchi is so good. That is amazing.
I'll try and meat one.
That tastes stunning. I haven't tried the meat one yet.
No, it is really good. So I'm gonna take that home?
Yes, please. And the dipping sauce is really good too.
Yeah, good huh?
Thank you.
That's so good. They're like fluffy, and you can tell how nicely it's been made. The level of spice in the kimchi is perfect as well. Those dumplings were so good.
You haven't even tried the noodles yet.
The dumplings were absolutely amazing, but we're going to try the hand cut noodles. I think there is seaweed in there, I believe. It looks like it.
Really hot. A bit fishy. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good. The noodles are really tasty, yeah. It is quite fishy though, surprise.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it.
I think that the noodles are really, really tasty. They're so soft and pillowy. It's just so cool. Eating them while she's making them right in front of you is such an experience. But it's a very simple dish, but it's so delicious. I also think the dumplings definitely stole the show though. The dumplings have been amazing. And the little sauce on top as well is perfect. A little bit spicy, it's so delicious. And it's really nice to sit around on this huge table and just watch everyone enjoying the food because everybody's absolutely loving it. How is it, girls? Yeah.
Everything I say sounds fantastic, but I genuinely mean it.
She hates it.
It's just all so tasty. The coolest part is watching her make the food right in front of you, actually eat it, and it's all made fresh. It's amazing. It's funny to see because this is a huge market. It's not just the Netflix lady there. There's a lot of other people, and they all sell these same dumplings. And if you've seen the Netflix special, you know that at the very beginning, when she first started in this market, she was not liked by a lot of the people here, and they would leave rubbish in front of her stall, make her place look dirty. A lot of people are doing very similar things to her. That's really very interesting.
Like I've never seen it.
Yeah, right. Like a blood sausage, maybe? Are we trying? So this place is also from the Netflix special. I believe it's some type of Mungbean pancake. So the woman behind me is mixing this huge pot and then it gets fried in the oil. God, it looks a bit mad.
It's very hot. Yeah, it's really hot.
It's bad.
I think it's just like bean sprouts.
So we've come here on a Tuesday and it's still super busy. I mean, like crowded, it's very cramped. So I recommend definitely coming here on a weekday. So the Netflix say she's closed on a Monday, so that's something to keep in mind. But these are the Mungbean pancakes. How are they?
It's the Korean hash brown.
It's a Korean hash brown. It's amazing.
It's just like little green bean sprouts. Bean sprouts.
Can I give it a little bite?
Did you give it a little? It's quite hot. Give it a nib. Give it a nib. It's really good actually.
Yeah, it's good.
Should we get a juice?
It does taste like a hash brown. It's really tasty. A bit sweet. Really nice.
You like it?
It is good. I don't know what the flavour is though.
No,
It does have a flavour, but I don't know.
I'm not sure.
I'd rather like that.
Because we've eaten quite a lot of greasy food already, we're gonna grab a little juice. Here is selling little pots with different types of fruit, and then you just choose what fruit you want, and then it gets made into a smoothie. What did you go for?
Strawberry and pineapple, I think.
Oh.
It's gonna go just straight out watermelon, but there was too many sexy choices.
So something to note if you're a tourist, you would have heard of the Myeongdong market. Myeongdong, I think that's how you say it, and that's a street food market. It's really, really popular, but it is geared towards tourists. And that means the quality is a lot worse. Whereas here you can see the ingredients are fresher and they're a much higher quality. You also pay a lot less. You don't have that tourist tax. Whereas when we've been to Myeongdong, we've had cold chicken and stuff that just really isn't great. So if you want authentic Korean food, an authentic Korean food market, this is where you want to come. The girls just grabbed some of these Korean walnut cakes, whatever it is. Ooh. What's inside them?
Got a custard one.
Oh, I'm a bit scared. Lucky bag. I think it's custard. Is it a red? Oh no. What have you got?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, might be a red bean. Oh, I do like red bean, kind of. I think it's sweet. It's pretty good. It's pretty tasty.
It's a star of the show.
Star of the show. Good though. The cake's really tasty. It's really light and fluffy.
You don't like it?
Can we swap?
Seems like get me here.
This is the custard one.
I like red bean.
That reminds me of like after school cake and custard.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
That's what it is.
It's cake and custard from school.
Wait, does it actually have a nut in? Did you try that? Yeah, it's got walnuts in.
What?
It's actually got a walnut in that.
That's so cool. I didn't know it had walnuts in it. This is really tasty.
I really like the red bean.
Also very common that with your meal you have a bottle of soju, so everybody on that table there has a little shot of soju with their meal, and I think that's really nice. It's kind of the equivalent of being at home and having a glass of beer with your meal. It's crazy to be outside, how silent it is, and actually having space to move around, because it is so busy in there. But really do recommend checking it out. It's such a cool market and the food is all really, really tasty. Everything we had today was really good. Would you recommend?
I would recommend. I thought it was a really cool experience. I think there's a lot of people saying that they fed Gordon Ramsay. I'm not how sure that is because they're all using the same pictures.
I didn't realise that at first.
However, the food was very good. I think the prices were very fair.
The prices were really good.
And we're comparing this to other street markets that we've been to, kind of around Southeast Asia just generally, but here the bigger competitor will be the Myeongdong street market.
Yeah, for sure.
And I thought the food quality and how much you pay for it, it doesn't have anything on this market.
No.
This is where you want to be if you want authentic Korean food at a good price.
Completely. So if you are weighing up whether you go to the Myeongdong market or you come to this one, this is the place to come because the food is so good. Like Emma said as well, the prices were really great. I mean, I think one of the dishes, like the dumplings, was the equivalent of about £3. which is crazy because of how popular she is and how well she's doing, how busy it is there, and yet the prices are still affordable, and that is why I definitely recommend coming to this market. But anyway, that is the Gwangjang market. It was a super cool experience, really, really cool, really enjoyed it. It was great to finally taste some bits that we haven't tried, like Gimbap. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, it's zoomed in. It is our last day in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city.
I'm really sad.
I'm very sad about it. This has been my favourite city so far. It's absolutely stunning. The people are amazing. There's so much to see. We've been here for a month in the same area. We spent a month in Seoul, and I feel like there's so much more that we could have done.
I could have done another month.
Easily, yeah. I'm really sad to be leaving, but I honestly can't wait to come back. It's been one of the best months of this whole trip. One of the best months of my life.